Hello, I am Tara Killam from livingonadime.com, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook where you can eat better, spend less. If you love our recipes, would you please like, subscribe, and share, and give us a thumbs up? We would really appreciate it. Today I'm making chicken tenders without using flour. This is a great recipe if you are gluten-free like I am. You can eat it and your whole family will love it. You don't even have to tell them it's gluten-free because it's so delicious. They're not gonna know. So let's get started. This recipe is super simple. It only takes me not even 15 minutes to make the whole thing. Cut up your boneless, skinless chicken breasts into slices. These are gonna be your chicken tender size. Then you're going to take your egg. You're going to beat up your egg. Dip your chicken tender in your egg. And then you're going to take Parmesan cheese and roll it in your Parmesan cheese. This is the cheese that is just in the green container. Nothing special about it. But this is going to be your coating. I fry these in oil because they are slightly quicker, but you can bake these in the oven if you would prefer. To fry them in oil, put a small amount of oil in your pan. Put your chicken tenders in to start frying. Then you're going to turn it over and let it brown on the other side. If it starts getting a little too brown, make sure you turn down your heat. When both sides are nicely brown, remove from oil and serve. Okay, here's my taste tester. Oh man, that's so
really
good. That was really good. You want another bite? Okay, you do the other bite while I do the outro. All right, guys, this is our Parmesan chicken tenders without flour. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. Check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Please like, subscribe, and share. We will see you guys next time.